No. Ike, where are you, man?
Hello! I
Hey.
popped out from the sofa today.
Okay. What do you got
Today
here?
I'm recording another surprise egg.
Another surprise egg. Okay. And what kind of surprise? Oh, what surprise egg is this?
A crocodile one.
Crocodile one. Okay. So where's it from?
Philippines and from my daddy.
Okay. And is it a Kinder Surprise?
Yeah, it's another kind of Kinder surprise.
Well, it looks a lot like Kinder Surprise, but it's not Kinder Surprise.
Yeah.
Okay.
But but it still
I
has
see?
a toy and chocolate.
Okay. Well, can you read what's on the front? What does it say?
Humpty
Good. Humpty.
Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty eggs. I think these are from Dubai. Can you say Dubai?
Dubai.
All right. Where's Dubai?
Somewhere on the earth.
Somewhere on the earth. Very good.
It's where I want to go.
You want to go to Dubai? I'll go with you.
Yeah, to Legoland.
Is there Legoland there? I have to look that up.
Yeah, I think I don't know. But let's open it.
All right. Can you open it?
It's
Yourself?
the hardest egg.
This is a tough one to open, right? Remember from the first time.
I thought Humpty Dumpty is supposed to be weak.
Well, after that incident, Humpty Dumpty got really strong and tough.
Yeah, he became a bird.
Oh, became a bird
He
too.
was a bird egg.
Was he a bird egg?
Yeah, there was the great fall and then the story and then the third time when he was sitting on the wall, he cracked and then he just said, I suddenly learned how to fly and then he became a bird.
I don't remember that version. Okay.
It's the story.
It's the story. Tough, huh? Tough to pull out.
Hey, glue?
What? Is they glue it? Okay. Let me try it, okay? Push it in, push it in.
Hello?
Okay, what are you using here? Okay. Twist? Okay. Good enough. Nice! It worked.
Got it.
Got it.
Here
Thank
is
you.
the white card.
A white card. Okay.
Which one should we open first?
The one to eat or the one to put together?
Put together because this is a toy. Because we are always recording toys.
Okay. This is a
And
unboxing of
sometimes
toys.
I'm recording eating.
Yeah.
Like the Oreo one.
The Oreo one. Okay.
Hey, this
Is it the same one as last time?
is no
All right.
different person.
A different person, huh?
It's a person
It's a person. Okay.
because it has the eyes.
It's got eyes.
It's a
Ooh.
unicorn.
A unicorn. You like unicorns?
Yeah.
I like unicorns too.
Because
Cool.
they're easy to put together.
All right. Okay, so you want to take a bite now?
No, I want to put it together.
Okay.
Because we don't have any other episodes. We're going to do right before this. So we are going to...
We're gonna barrel through. Okay.
See, I told you. It's easy to make.
Really? You don't want to follow look at the instructions first?
Because,
It's very intuitive. It's very
yeah,
obvious.
it says...
You have to put the horn in first before you seal up the animal, or else it might be really hard to open it up again if you don't put the horn in right now.
What's one?
It's a unicorn, right?
Yeah.
Is there a horn already there?
Why did I know this was so hard to open again?
Let's see some wings. You sure it's a unicorn? Let's see.
Yeah. It's at nighttime. Oh, this is hard again. I thought it was easy.
You thought it was easy, huh? Oh, these are the eyes.
Where are the wings?
Where are the wings? Right there. Those are the
Is
wings.
this the wings?
Those are the wings.
But this.
What is this?
Again. Okay, you could you do this for me?
All right, I'm trying.
Now eat the chocolate.
Okay, all right. I'll work on it. You gonna open the chocolate? Open the chocolate.
So they see you.
All right. Nice try. Let me see you open the chocolate. Okay.
How do you hold this?
I think you hold it like this.
This?
Yes. But you can hold it any way you want that works for you, man. Well, usually it works the other way, but okay. I'm going to finish putting on together the unicorn. I'm going to pause it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I got it together. How's the chocolate?
Good.
Good. What does good mean?
It tastes tasty.
It tastes tasty?
Mm-hmm.
It's tasty. Say it's tasty.
It's tasty.
Okay. You recommend it to others?
Hmm?
Do you think other people will like it?
Yeah.
You think other people will enjoy it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good to know. Want to say goodbye now? Say goodbye.
No, it's still eating.
You're still eating. Okay, I'm not sure how much battery I got in this thing. Could you say goodbye?
Okay, just bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.
Click the bell.